everyone. I am Bhagyalakshmi, working as functional English and life skills trainer. Children, please look at these four sentences. The first sentence: if you visit Alaska, you will likely see many glaciers or slow moving masses of ice. Second one: celestial bodies, including the sun, moon, and stars, have fascinated man through the centuries. Third one, the mountain pass was a tortuous road, winding and twisting like a snake around the trees of the mountainside. Fourth one, she wanted to impress all her dinner guests with the food she served, so she carefully studied the necessary culinary arts. Children, are you confused with these words? Found in the sentence colored in green: glaciers, celestial, torches, culinary. We always find in a new word. While reading, and unfortunately we do not have dictionary all the time. So we can find a way by looking at the clues around the words as the detective search for clues in the crime scene, and the doctors use clues or symptoms to solve the patient's problem. The same way, we look for clues in the sentence to guess the meaning. To do, we will learn about contextual clues in a sentence. Children, today we are going to learn about contextual clues in a sentence. Contextual clues. Context clues are bits of information within a text that will assist you in guessing the meaning of unknown words. Since most of your knowledge of vocabulary comes from reading, it is important that you recognize context clues. By becoming more aware of particular words and phrases surrounding a difficult word, we can make logical guesses about its meaning. Definition or restatement. Sometimes a text directly states the definition or a restatement of the unknown word. The brief definition or restatement is signaled by a word or a pronounce punctuation mark. Consider the following example. If you visit Alaska, you will likely see many glaciers or slow moving masses of ice. In this sentence, the word glaciers is defined by the phrase that follows the signal word, or which is slow moving masses of ice. Example clues. Sometimes, when a reader finds a new word, an example might be found nearby that help to explain its meaning. Words like including, such as, and for example, point out example clues. Example: celestial bodies, including the sun, moon, and stars, have fascinated man through the centuries. Celestial objects are those in the sky or heavens. Synonym restatement clues. The reader may discover the meaning of as an unknown word because it repeats an idea expressed in familiar words. Nearby synonyms are words with the same meaning. Example: the mountain pass was tortoise road, winding and twisting like a snake around the trees. Of the mountainside, tortoise mean winding and twisting. Contrast or antonym clues. Antonyms are words with opposite meaning. An opposite meaning context clue contrasts the meaning of an unfamiliar word with the meaning of a familiar term. Words like although, however, and but may signal contrast clues. Example: when the light brightens, the people of the eyes contract. However, when it goes darker, the delight means the opposite of contract. Analysis or structure clues. The part The parts used to construct a word can be direct clues to meaning. Knowledge of prefix roots and suffix can aid a reader in using this type of context clues. Learning one word part can add dozens of words to readers' vocabulary. The power of word parts lies in the ability to combine the roots and affixes with the context in which a word is used to discover the author's meaning. Example: the story is incredible. The root create mean to believe, and the prefix in means not. Therefore, if a story is incredible, it is unbelievable. Inference clue. Sufficient clues might be available for the careful reader to make an educated guess at the meaning. Example: she told her friend, I am through with the blind dates forever. What a dull evening. I was bored every minute. The conversation was absolutely vapid. Vapid means uninteresting. Cause and effect clues. The author explains the reason for or the result of the word. Word likes, because, since, therefore, thus, so, etc. May signal context clues. Example: she wanted to impress all her dinner guests with the food she served, so she carefully studied the necessary culinary arts. Culinary means food preparation. Thank you all.